The black wire should be attached to the black wire from the cord, but which one? Both of them are black as well. Well, this dimmer touch lamp stopped working, probably because the three-way sensor module like this got damaged, but you can buy it for a few bucks and replace it yourself. Unplug the cord and remove bulbs. The bottom cover on my lamp is held by plastic clips that can be unclipped with a flathead screwdriver. Just go around until the cover pops off. But if you see screws on your bottom cover, they obviously would need to be unscrewed. This is the original touch sensor module that I need to replace, but let's just make sure that this is the actual problem. And I can already see the burn marks on the plastic cover, and after cleaning the board I can see a tiny trace is burned and missing because one of the components on the back got shorted, but that doesn't really matter at this point. When comparing dimmer modules, the new one looks different, and colors of wires look different as well. But that's not a problem, because the package that the new device came in has a wiring diagram on the back, and we will be following that instead. Now let's cut off all connectors going to the not working dimmer control board and about half of the yellow wire. Here we have two black wires bringing power from the cord, and the one with the ribbed edge is the neutral wire, and the other with the smooth side is power or hot wire. And that's how you identify wires when they both are black. The black and white wires sticking out from the lamp are much easier to identify, where black is hot and white is neutral. And the yellow is the touch sensor wire that is attached to the base of the lamp. Now it's time to remove some insulation from each wire that we have in the lamp. And it's a good idea to twist stranded wire in the clockwise direction every time you remove insulation, so the tiny strands of wire stay together. And after preparing all the wires to be connected, I took a picture of the wiring diagram to make it bigger and painted all wires according to the instructions to make it easy to follow. And we have number 1 is a black wire, number 2 is gray, number 3 is brown wire, and yellow goes to the base of the lamp, as I mentioned before. So let's start connecting with number 1, the black wire. It's supposed to connect with another black wire from the electrical cord, but both of them are black, so which one? Since it says ribbed on the opposite side, we are looking for the smooth wire. This one feels rough, and the other feels smooth, and that's what we need. Put them together and do a little twist in a clockwise direction. Some electricians like to trim both wires to make them even for a better connection. Now get the wire nut from the package and screw it in the clockwise direction pretty tightly. Then pull on one wire, then the other, and if they don't come out from the nut, you have a good connection. The next is the gray wire. It's supposed to connect to the white wire from the lamp and the black ribbed wire. Here's the white wire and the black ribbed wire. Put them together, and by the way, if you follow the ribbed wire all the way to the plug, you will notice that it's connected to the wider blade on the plug. And that is typical for the neutral side. Now twist all 3 wires together, trim it, and insert the wire nut. Always twist the wires and the wire nut in the same clockwise direction. Pull on each wire just to make sure that they sit well. The next is the brown wire. It goes together with the black wire from the lamp. This is the last black wire available, so there is not much to say here. Just twist it, trim it, and cap it. And then pull on each wire. And finally, the yellow wire that goes to another yellow. Luckily, I had a spare wire nut that I will use for yellow wires, since the package has only 3 wire nuts available. Because technically, the yellow wire from the new touch dimmer sensor module is supposed to be attached directly to the base of the lamp. But that seems like extra work, so I have decided to splice the old and the new yellow wires together. And now I just need to feed the new dimmer module inside, together with wires, and cover it with the bottom plate without pinching any wires. Reinstall bulbs, plug it in, and give it a test drive. And the touch lamp works again. If you found this video informative, hit the like button, and thanks for watching.